Did y'all see the new Cricut update? I'm pretty sure by now y'all have seen the new Cricut update. But for those of you that have not, guess what? Cricut now prints larger. Woo, 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 woo. Okay. Okay, Cricut. Yeah, I stayed down till we came up. Yes. Cricut prints larger now. Y'all, let me show you how you make your Cricut print larger. All right, you're going to press those 3 lines in Cricut Design Space. Go down to Settings. This box is going to pop up. You want to make sure it's under General. Where it says Live, you're going to unclick that and press Beta. And then you're going to press Done. It's going to download. And after download, then you should be able to print larger. So I'm going to do a new project. I'm just going to upload an image that I already have. Right here, I'm going to press Add to Canvas. This is the image. So let's see. We're going to make it 8 by 15. So after I make it 8 by 15, as you can see, it gets the little red thing over there like normal, saying that it's too large for the paper size. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down where it says change paper size. You're going to select your mat, printer, all that, and look at that. Do y'all see them sizes? Oh, do you see them sizes? And look how big we can print now. Look, y'all see? 15, that red dot is gone. So where my Cricut people at? Yeah. Well, Cricut could never, people. Yes, Cricut, baby, Cricut. Our Cricut prints larger now. Started from the bottom, now we here.